As a small creator, you need to get super creative when monetizing your content. Now, it's almost impossible to rely on content creation as your full-time income. But I want to show that it is possible to make a fantastic amount of money, even being a smaller creator. Now, how I'm going to do this is I'm going to show you a real world example on something that I actually did. And the best part is that it is completely replicatable. Now, following this method, you can make $1 per view on YouTube. Yeah, $1 a view. This is how I made $9,000 from a video that only has 9,000 views. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, we go over absolutely everything that has to deal with social media. We're talking about strategy, ways to make money off of it, how to grow quickly, all that. So if you like content like that, definitely hit that subscribe button. Or if you need a social media consultation, there's an email in the description and just hit me up. All right, let's get into the video. Now, a little while ago, I made a video about Avatar 2, The Way of the Water, which is a fantastic movie. But I decided to make a little content surrounding that, surrounding the hype of the movie, the anticipation, all of it. Now, as a small creator, you got to figure out whether your video does 1 million views or 10,000 views. You got to figure out the best way to monetize that content and not just have a single way to monetize it, but multiple different streams of revenue. And that's what I did here. And I could not be more pumped from the results. Now, this video specifically had 5 streams of revenue. And if you're making content right now and you don't know how to monetize your content, definitely hit me up in the email. I got you. Now, income stream number 5 is TikTok/IG. Now, every piece of content that you make, you should be chopping that content up and posting it to all the other platforms. So this original YouTube video, now cut down, you can post it to Instagram, you could post it to TikTok, you could post it to Twitter, all of that. All right, now with all of these extra channels that I posted this content to, I pretty much made $1. Now, TikTok is notorious for not paying the creators a lot of money. So even 10,000 views on TikTok equaled like 25 cents. IG, just the same. And Twitter, as of right now, there is just no way to monetize your content that I've seen. So through all of these channels, this version of the video only made $1 and it had tens of thousands of views, but it only made $1. And that was income stream number 5. Now, income stream number 4 is through tips. Now, I set up a tip channel for anyone that wants to share their appreciation to me and the content that I was creating that would either save them money, give them a new perspective, to entertain, all of that. So I set up a tip channel where people could tip the creator, which would be me. There was no pressure. And I got 3 different tips totaling $10. Now, with this video specifically, it was designed to kind of save people money. Even after the tip, they still saved a little bit of money. So income stream number 4 was setting up a tip channel for viewers and subscribers to show their appreciation and tip you, the creator. All right, now stream number 3 is Amazon Associates. Now, inside your YouTube description, you can add links to certain Amazon products and get a kickback get a percentage actually of all the products that they buy. So hypothetically, they click on your referral link, your Amazon referral link in the YouTube description, and they buy a $100 thing, you get 4% of that thing. Now, the percentage does fluctuate per category. So if you have a higher category, you get a lot more money. Now, for this video specifically, I had a link to the old Avatar video. I had links to all of my gear that I'm using and all my services that I like that I purchased through Amazon. So people would click on that and it would take them to Amazon and they would purchase it and I would get a kickback. It costs nothing extra to the viewer, absolutely nothing. Amazon's the one paying you. So as of right now, the clicks that were funneled to Amazon, my percentage, my referrals that I got, Amazon paid me a total of $51. All right, now the second income stream that I want to talk about is YouTube AdSense. Now this video is only around 9,000 views as of right now, as of filming. And on that channel, I'm currently monetized. And on this video specifically, I'm gaining around $10 per 1,000 views. So if you extrapolate that data, YouTube is gonna pay me $90 as of right now. It'll get more later on, but YouTube's gonna pay me $90 for all of the views that I've gotten so far. Now, not every channel is set up to be monetized. I'll throw right on the screen what you gotta do to get there. But once you are, you make money off of every view on every video. It's pretty fantastic. All right, now the number one income stream that I want to go over is Rakuten. Now, Rakuten has a crazy referral program. For every person that you refer, the second they spend $30 on their website, you get $30 and they get $30. So whatever they bought at $30 is free and you get a kickback. So it's a win for the viewer and it's a win for you. Now, specifically for this, I was showing people how you can watch Avatar for free. Essentially, Rakuten is just like an Amazon. You could search whatever product or whatever service, whatever gift card that you want, and it'll show you where you can buy it all over the web and you can get cash back through those purchases. But if you're new, the second you spend $30, you get $30 and then I get $30. So like I just said, it's a win-win-win-win, and it worked for this Avatar video. As of right now, from this Avatar video, I have 288 signups. Now, if you extrapolate that and $30 per sign up, that comes out to $8,640. And not to mention, people are still signing up every single day. It's kind of a validation of what I was creating. And the whole purpose of it was to help people out and save a little bit of money. And my absolute favorite referral programs are when the viewer wins and then also you win at no extra cost to either. So if you add all that up, this is how much money I made from one video that had 9,000 views. All right, that's it. That is all I got for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Hopefully you learned a little bit. And yeah, if you have any questions on anything that I said, hit me up in the email description or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.